How's it going, guys? Phil here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I prevent my cabinet doors from hitting walls or each other when they're opened. After we had our cabinets installed, we found the 106-degree hinges caused some of the doors to make contact with walls or other doors when fully opened, and we wanted a better solution than putting rubber bumpers on the exterior of the doors and knobs. We decided to use the Salice hinge restrictors since these are the same brand as the soft close hinges installed on the overlay doors, and they were really easy to install. You'll need to remove the doors from the cabinets if they're already installed. With the door hinge in the closed position, you'll line up the two curved hooks on the restrictor with the bar at the outside edge of the door hinge. The plastic tab will slide in behind the spring lever, and pressing it in gently should click it into place. With the restrictor installed, the hinge will now open to a maximum of 86 degrees, just short of perpendicular to the cabinet. And you can see the difference here in the angle between this hinge where it's not installed and this hinge where it is. Now when we open our cabinet doors, we don't have to worry about the doors striking our walls or other cabinet doors that are also open at the same time. They were inexpensive, quick to install, and work really well. We've had them installed for several years now, and none of them have broken. I hope you enjoyed this repair video. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.